Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can add tasks from Asana to Google Sheet. So this is step-by-step guide. So what you want to do is click on the link down below in the description, and when you're going to do it, you will get right here to sign up of Make.com. Make.com is an amazing company that's going to help you combine, integrate various applications, and one of them is Asana with Google Sheets. So what you want to do is when you're going to be here, you want to go, you're going to sign up and you want to click on the templates under scenario. Then you want to go to top right and right here Asana, and then Google Sheets. And you're going to right here, save completed task from Asana to Google Sheet. And here, every time there is a task in completing Asana, Integromat will automatically save it to Google Sheet spreadsheet. So you want to create new scenario from the template. Then you can just like choose a resource from Asana. Then you would press continue. Then again, this is something that you're going to leave like it is. And you have to connect your Google Sheets account here. And now you have to choose the sheet name. And then the values. So these are the values like timestamp, name. So name can be here, and you can easily add whatever values you want. And now in the moment you're going to have it, you're going to press continue. So you can set it up as much as you need. Now, if you need any help, you can easily contact Make.com customer service support, where you would just choose technical issue scenario and then URL. And then pretty much that's how we do it, right? So you can have Asana here. And that's how we can add tasks from Asana to Google Sheets. So yeah, then you easily save it on the bottom. You can on bottom left run it once, and you can schedule the settings here, and that's how you're going to do it. Nothing difficult, nothing hard.